So,
All right, so yes, it's very important.
we need to see how we can maintain voice consistency.
Now we are able to maintain same voice.
Even while sipping coffee, our voice is consistent.
We did it. Thanks, Gloria Pale. Please subscribe for more tips.
Most people using AI are using it in the wrong way. If your AI video sounds different every time, that is different sound, different tone, different personality, it's probably why your content is not brandable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI to maintain voice consistency across all your video scenes, across whatever kind of AI videos you're making, be it a faceless YouTube channel, be it a content brand, whatever it may be. I'm just going to show you how to maintain voice consistency with the same person across all your AI video scenes. By the end of this video, you will know how to create voice consistency, maintain same voice for same person, same delivery, same personality, same tone across all your video scenes. And this is very important because you don't want a situation where you are doing scene one, you're talking about a particular character and the voice is sounding in a particular level, in a particular way, and then the next scene is sounding another thing entirely. You get to confuse your audience, you get to confuse your viewers, people watching you. So the best thing you want to do is stick to me to the end of this video so that you will know how to maintain voice consistency across all your videos, across all scenes, across any personality you want to maintain in all your AI videos. Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Paul and you're welcome to my channel. Here I talk about YouTube tips and now I'm talking about AI.
First and foremost, head on to ChatGPT and type in this prompt that is showing here. I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you'll be able to use it. And please know that this prompt, I made it in respect to two people. So where you can just change your pronouns. So where you see dear, you just put it as his or her, depending on the person you want to make it for. So where you see male, you can just put it to female, depending on what you want to use it for. So me, I'm doing it for two persons at the same time for same video. So we can go ahead and say that the specification must include exact reproducible parameters for audio output and vocal characteristics, including speaking volume. So basically this is the prompt. I don't want to bore you with it, so I'm just going to put it in the description box so you can go ahead and use it for your own delivery. So after we are done typing in the prompt, we're just going to go ahead and send to ChatGPT so it can give us the required response. So now it has given us a response: specified tone, Nigerian English technical voiceover profiles, male and female. Remember I told you I'm using it for two people. So basically it's for a male and a female. So if you want to just use it for a single person, so you can just specify the gender. So I'm using it for both genders, male and female. So that's why we are having male and female here. And where we have his or her, I'm putting it as theirs. So you can just specify it the way you want it. So now it has answered me. I'm just going to go ahead and use this response to the prompt and use it to Grok AI. So watch me as I do this. So next thing is that we're just going to go ahead and click on that icon there, the copy icon, and copy this whole text, or select all and copy. So the next thing is to head on to your browser and type in Grok AI. It's going to bring up the interface required for you to click on. Click on this one and it takes you straight to the site. So I am using the browser, I'm not using the app. For this purpose, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not using the app. So you can also use the browser. It's no issue. So now we're in Grok AI. We're just going to click on that column there and type in or click on imagine. Click on imagine and place that prompt. Prior to us placing this prompt, we are going to import the images. We are going to import the image so it can start running. So I'm going to upload the file and import the image that I want to generate already. So now that I've imported it and it has generated, you see that it's running. You're seeing the percentage going. So it's in Grok AI. This is definitely just going to turn it to a motion video already, even regardless of me putting in my prompts. So now it is done generating and the motion video is already in play, as you can see. So we are just going to go ahead and place in our prompt to give it the actual video we want it to generate for us. Next, we are going to tell Grok AI at the end of the prompt, we're going to tell Grok AI what we want each of them to say. So I'm going to be specific to say, let the man say, we need to see how we can maintain voice consistency or we need to see how to maintain voice consistency. So we're going to type it there. And next we're going to say, let the woman say, yes, it's very important. Then we click on the check mark for it to generate the video. So now it's generated. Let's listen to the video.
We need to see how we can maintain voice consistency. So,
All right. So yes, it's
So I
very
think I
important.
like this one. I'm just going to click on the download icon there and download to my phone. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on scene 2, import the image like we did for scene 1 and allow Grok AI generate a video. So go ahead now and paste the prompt from ChatGPT again and type in what you want the persons to say, the characters to say. So I'm just going to type in let the woman say, because this time I want the woman to talk first. So I'm going to just put in let the woman say. Now we're able to maintain same voice. Then the man will go ahead and say, all this I'm going to type it here. So the man will go ahead and say, even while sipping coffee, our voice remains consistent. So after doing this, I'm just going to click on the check mark there, that arrow up there. So Grok AI can generate a talking video relating to this prompt I have given it. Now, as you can see, it's running. So once it's finished running, like once Grok AI is finished generating the voice prompt that we gave it, we're just going to go ahead and listen to the video. Now the video is generated with the voice prompt. We're going to listen to it now.
Now we are able to maintain same voice.
even while sipping coffee, our voice is consistent.
Now we are able to maintain same voice.
Even while sipping coffee, our
Are you
voice is
seeing that there
consistent.
is a voice consistency between the two people? Like even the man when from the previous scene, the woman from previous scene, all voice consistency is same. So now we're just going to go ahead and click on that arrow down button there to download to our phone. Now we have this video saved. So the next thing is to upload the third image, the third scene. So I'm just going to go ahead and import the image for Grok AI to generate the video. So now it's imported and Grok AI is just going to go ahead and generate a motion video as usual. So once that is done, while doing that, I'm just going to paste that prompt from ChatGPT again. I'm going to paste that prompt again and type in what I want the both of them to say. But this time, I want them to chorus together. So I'm just going to say, together in excitement, we did it. Thanks, Gloria Pearl. Please subscribe for more tips. We did it. Thanks, Gloria Pearl. Please subscribe for more tips. This is what I'm going to ask them to say basically. So as you're watching this, if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because my AI videos are already begging you to subscribe. Subscribe, please. Like and share this video. Thank you. So after putting in the prompt, I'm going to just click on that check mark button there, that arrow button there, so that my video, Grok AI can generate the video as indicated or as instructed by the prompt. As you can see, it is generating. The percentage is moving, it's running. So once it's done generating, we're just going to go ahead and listen to the video generated by Grok AI for free.
We did it. Thanks, Gloria Pearl. Please subscribe for more tips. We did it. Thanks, Gloria Pearl. Please subscribe for more tips.
So just like we did the previous scenes, we are just also going to go ahead and click on that arrow down button there to download and save to the phone. Now you've gotten your voice consistency across all three scenes in this very Grok AI video that we generated. So I'm just going to play all the three scenes together so that we'll see and hear what they all sound like to know if the voice consistency actually worked.
All right. So yes, it's very important.
We need to see how we can maintain voice consistency.
Now we are able to maintain same voice.
Even while sipping coffee, our voice is consistent.
We did it. Thanks, Gloria Pearl. Please subscribe for more tips.
Now you can see that voice consistency in AI is not all about using so many tools. It's all about knowing how to maximize the use of those tools that you already know. And maximizing those tools is all about using the right prompt and maintaining context correctly. Once you have these prompts, you tend to be able to create as much AI videos you want to do, as much unlimited AI videos you want to create. By that way, you're able to maintain personality, you're able to maintain consistent flow of voice. You tend to maintain everything consistently without even having to sound robotic or inconsistent. Comment below if you're creating any faceless videos or any content brand AI videos. I'm going to do well to reply you with some other tips that will be needed or necessary for your content creation. So now go ahead and create that video by maintaining same voice, same consistency, same personality, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.